place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
We're only half done with what I wanted.
Normal. The moment of truth.
I guess she's ready to go. Short power lines.
It's freaking dark here. Our nav lights are on, but they're not working. I have to turn a mast light and hope for the best. Not exactly ideal situation.
Looks like it's 21 feet and it's all flat in front of us. We have calibrated that bottom sensor.
Which one is
One's
wrong?
showing 6 feet and one's showing 3.
3 feet difference is like a lot
Especially
for
with the
this
rock.
case, right? Can you see like that? Approaching first rock. Can't see shit. Our spotlight is dead. We didn't buy battery, so we're using the dive light. Nice.
Pretty cool. We got to see the rock. It went down to like 3.6.
Do you need markers? This channel is like super treacherous.
Just going into the wind. We gotta kick it up here because going 4 knots will be arriving the next day in the morning.
I guess time to make some breakfast. Instant oats. I changed my mind. Boil the water is gonna be more power. Making a couple of eggs. Woo. So I went to check the shaft seal. There's a bunch of water there. It's supposed to be dripless. It's a bunch of water. There is a bunch of water where the shaft seal is.
I was changing the coupler. I had to slide the shaft back so it was in a new position, so then it would have been dripping. Now it's back in its other position. After we run for a while, it should seal itself back up again. Not a good thing to have happen when you're leaving.
Now is the time when everything starts sliding around. Such organized people we are. Alcohol already all down. Ooh, some ice. Hold on! It's a horrible storm! Whew. Woo! Wow!
Pretty cool. I was yawning. It's pretty relaxing.
I'm trying here not to throw up with my garbage bag. William is trying not to sleep.
1,200 feet of water. I'm at the junction where the Gulf Stream axis meets the regular ocean. It's pretty turbulent. Waves are trying to decide which way to go. They're fighting each other. This big old fat boat just keeps chugging along. Doesn't do anything fast. It's good it doesn't do anything fast.
That's all it is for lunch. Ooh, I'm gonna throw up. Wow, 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 wow. That was a bad one.
Bang. Want some air?
Yeah, fast.
My great co-pilot. 4 hours at sea. Yes.
Pretty much peed my pants here. This is not what I've expected, to be honest. I'm so used to ICW, and this is not fucking ICW. Major waves. I have no experience, so I don't even know if the boat's doing good. William is saying that the boat's doing good. He falls overboard. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing.
Should loosen up again. The boom bracket broke. Get back out there. Bash a regular boom all the hell.
I'm like dying of fear here when you are there.
I'm good.
What about me? Certain blind areas on the boat, so I can't see if he's on board or he fell over. This is like serious. I'm freaking terrified. I kind of forgot about seasickness because it's so stressful. It's like nice and calm, but it's not. Did you fix it?
Yeah. Pretty sporty out there. Feet like a cat. Now I'll take over. Seas are pretty interesting. Waves all over the place with the Gulf Stream fighting the ocean.
Gulf Stream and ocean are fighting. Yana is fighting seasickness.
This boat has hit like 9.5 knots racing speed for this old girl. We tested the sail and we were all excited to put the sails up. Wind is not in our favor. We're going just about directly into the wind, save sailing for another day. Once in a while we get a greenie over the bow. Pretty solid boat. Very satisfied now. We're coming up on almost 2,000 feet of water, so it should be a little bit more calm.
Our boat looks like a total disaster down below. Not that it matters right now.
That's right, living the dream.
Living the dream. Wow, it's insane. Whoa. There is so much salt on everything, it's unbelievable. Cook with it. Ooh, super salty. The weather got better here, much better. I slept a little bit, I feel like human. In the cup, by the way. What's in the cup?
I guess maybe about 15-20 minutes from the marina. So just want to know if there was a slip assignment.
We have you reserved there in the casino area. When you arrive, just dock myself to assist.
Going bow in, is it a starboard tie?
The bow in, starboard tie.
All right, very good. I will keep a lookout, radio once I get a visual.
Arrived?
Not yet. A very skinny channel to get all the way up here.
Scared?
No, but I don't want to be stuck on the rocks. There's not sand here.
Right. The watercolor, out of control. Unbelievable. I have not seen the water like that in my life. Land, my friends, land. After, what, 14 hours of miserability. So close. It's not 14 hours of miserability, 4 years, 14 hours, and then here we are. Wow. There's literally one person on the beach. That's it.
Scary. Now you're seeing that there's rocks. You know they're there. Or you just guessed.
So how much forward does it show?
45 feet in front of the center of the boat. This is the center of our boat. That's in front of us.
So you think we have enough time to react, if anything?
I do. What were you eating? Smelling onion.
Seasickness food. Time to put our first set of... What? Time to put our first yellow flag on. Yay! We're gonna go for one night in Bimini and tie up in the marina. We can clear our customs. Docking this boat is always an interesting adventure. We shall see how this one gonna
Vessel approaching Bimini Bay, Mega Marina. Good afternoon. Are you in a sailing vessel?
Yes, sir.
Roger, we got you set up for stern in or side
I'll
time.
have to go bow in, single screw, 45 ton, and it only goes one direction.
Starboard side time, bow in, okay?
Yes, sir.
tied right away in the front, steel boat. He doesn't have much control of it. Where you want this one? Thank you so much. How's the weather?
Better. Better than what it was. Way much better than what it was.
It's pretty choppy out there.
It's blowing like 25 with a lot of dark clouds. So it's much better.